Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Miami at the Exchange ETF conference, and joining us for this segment, we have David Botset. He's the Head of Equity Product Management and Innovation at Schwab Asset Management to discuss ETF flows and trends that we're seeing in 2023. It is great to have you with us, David. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start with the Schwab ETF suite. What were the highlights in 2022?
2022 for us, I would say our highlight was our dividend products, right? Income clearly in favor for investors. The Schwab US Dividend ETF, SCHD, was our biggest asset gatherer and is now our largest ETF.
And perfect segue for my next question. What are your expectations in terms of flow activity and trends in 2023?
Yeah, so I think we're starting to see a continuation of what we saw last year, one of those being in fixed income, right? Suddenly, fixed income is yielding something again, and it's of interest to investors, and they're increasingly coming back into fixed income in the form of ETFs.
Yep, and that's a huge topic that we've been discussing here, actively managed fixed income ETFs. So how do you view product innovation, and what asset class methodology do you see the most growth in?
So for us, it's been in fixed income. So we launched our municipal bond product last year, the Schwab Municipal Bond ETF in the fourth quarter. We're seeing great inflows there. It's nearly a $300 million product today. We're working in other areas of fixed income. We're going to continue to accelerate in that space.
Any other asset classes? Anything interesting to share?
Yeah, so we are looking at, we launched a thematic product last year. So it's equity, but it's a theme-based strategy. That's a Schwab crypto thematic ETF.
Oh, interesting.
It's very interesting. It's equity-based, so not directly into cryptocurrencies. But we think there's really something there with thematic exposures in client portfolios that allow them to personalize their allocations.
David, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.